Hey there, welcome to Wheel Joint. If you're wondering about the type of AC refrigerant that your Kia Sportage uses, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we'll be checking out the refrigerant commonly used in Kia Sportage models. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to mention that Kia has used different refrigerants in their vehicles over the years. To confirm the type of refrigerant your Kia Sportage uses, you'll want to check the label under the hood. It's typically located near the front of the engine bay, and it provides important information about your vehicle's air conditioning system. Let's pop the hood and take a look. When you locate the label, you should find a section that lists the refrigerant type. Kia Sportage typically uses R134A as its refrigerant. R134A is a common refrigerant used in many automotive air conditioning systems. It's known for its efficiency and compatibility with the components in modern AC systems. Now, it's important to note that refrigerant types can vary between different car models and years, so it's always a good idea to check your vehicle's owner's manual or consult with a professional if you're unsure about the specific refrigerant your Kia Sportage uses. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheel Joint for more useful tips and information about your Kia Sportage and other vehicles. Thanks for watching.